And we're live, folks. I'm back with a new video, back with a new lecture. Peace and blessings to my soul family. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Shout out to everybody that's doing well. Indigo, what anybody. Shout out to everybody. So, I'm about to get into it. So today, it says it all. We're going to go into the neutral slash calm vibrational energies. So, pull out your phones. Oh, not phones. Oh my gosh, where you on your phone? But pull out anything that you could take notes with, I guess. And we're about to get into it. So where I left off yesterday, when I went over the lower vibrational frequencies, just to go over the basis of vibrational energies, we have zero, zero being the lowest, 1,000 being the highest, zero being death, and 1,000 being God consciousness. So the the lower vibrations were shame, guilt. So you had 20 and 30 was shame and guilt. Then you had 50, which was apathy. Then you had 75, which was grief. 100, which was fear. 125, which was desire. 150, which was anger. 175, which was pride. And now we're gonna go into 200 to 400 level consciousness slash frequency. So the first one of the day is courage. Courage at level 200. See, hopefully you can see this. Courage is right here, and this gives you an emotion of affirmation. So what you know what affirmations is? It's like sayings that will put into you manifesting what you desire in life. So telling yourself daily affirmations like I am going to be successful. That's an affirmation. It's kind of like a prayer, but you're just saying it out and putting the energy out into the world. So when you have courage, you're able to take the steps into putting out energies that you want. And then the life view behind is a feasible life view. So you're content with everything. And you just it's gonna make life easier for you in the long run. So I'm about to pull up. I had some. I'm going to go over some information I had for courage. I know I had it. So, yeah. But yeah, courage, once you have a courageous life, it's going to bring in energies of you being able to just take the leaps and steps you need to grow in life. It makes you step out your comfort zone. It makes you step out of whatever dark pit that you're in just by taking courage, just taking a leap of faith. If you get what I'm saying. Hello to everybody that just joined. Hope you guys are doing amazing. But just loading up some information. But you have courage, you have responsibilities and whatnot. So just being courageous. What does courageous mean? Being like noble, just taking risks, just not being cautious like you would if you were living in fear. It's like the opposite. It's like a polar opposite in a way. Besides opposite of living in fear, living with courage, living with no fear at all. I'm just my computer's acting dumb. But yeah, so the biggest takeaway with courage is to step out of your comfort zone. This conscious level will help you step out of your comfort zone and get out of the fear vibrational energy, getting out of that energy of living in fear. If you get what I'm saying. Golly. Alright. Just waiting for everything. I should have just loaded all my information at once. But just hang in there. Woo! Because I had a bunch. And the next one would be neutrality. And which you think would be the most neutral, but that's level 250. So neutrality is right above courage and right below willingness, and we're about to get into neutrality after I find this information on courage that I had. Okay, can we come on? Can we come on? Alright, cool. We have gratitude. We have sometimes the best way to solve your problems is to solve someone else's. So be a helping hand. So take courage, be a helping hand. Yeah, just This full. Yeah. Okay. I'm pulling up some more information, guys. So it's hanging in there. This another amazing lecture. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. So yeah, finding courage. Finding courage will allow you to gain a level of empowerment and make life exciting. So who doesn't want to live an exciting life? You know, everybody. So taking these risks and not being as conservative or cautious as you would in the past, when you find a courage conscious level, you're gonna empower yourself and you're gonna make life exciting. Because the more you make life exciting, the more you're gonna want to experience life and enjoy life. So that's all I have for courage right now. And next we have neutrality. Neutrality. The emotion that you get behind neutrality is trust. You're able to trust in life once you find yourself to be neutral. You're able to find trust, and your life view will be satisfactory. So you'll just be satisfied with the life that you're living once you find a way to become neutral. And along with being neutral will allow you to shift and to make your energy positive. So it will shift you from like a negative feeling of energy to a positive pool of energy. And you'll be able to find and gain inner confidence once you step out and become neutral. So say if you're in a dark place, you're in an angry place, or you just feel sad, and you take the time to like meditate or something and neutralize your emotions and feelings and clear your mind, you'll be able to shift your energy into a positive way and start building your inner confidence along the way. And you'll start to gain trust, emotions of trust, and your life view, you'll be satisfied with life. And our next one is willingness. Willingness will give you an emotion of optimism and hopeful. Your life will be hopeful. So you're just gonna have all the optimism in the world, and there's gonna be a lot of hope for you. Instead of feeling helpless like you do when you have when you're in the apathy frequency. So see willingness as the polar opposite of apathy. So yeah, your willingness will bring you success, rapid growth, and the ability to overcome any resistance to life. So you're gonna allow yourself to live life, to not be cautious, not be so conservative, to loosen up, and you make life all the more amazing for yourself when you build your willingness up. Next, is this the last one? No, never mind. Acceptance. The next one is acceptance. So, acceptance gives you a feeling of forgiveness, and your life view will be harmonious. So everything's gonna be synchronized together. Once you accept, like, oh, this is my life, this is how I'm gonna live it, and you're gonna forgive people that what has happened to you in the past, and you're gonna let go and heal from past traumas as well. So this is what happens when you step into the acceptance conscious level, and it's going to cause a amazing shift, an amazing transformation. Except it will bring in a major transformation to your life. You'll be able to become the source and creator of life, and you build your God-like body, your celestial body throughout the world. So yeah, that's what we got for willingness. And the last, for acceptance, my bad, not willingness. And the last one we have is reason. Reason will give you an emotion of understanding, and it will make your life view meaningful. So you're gonna finally have reason in your life, have something meaningful in your life, and then you're gonna understand. You have an understanding emotions with a meaningful viewpoint. So you're gonna bring purpose to the world. You're gonna share your gifts. You're gonna be synchronized with your life purpose, and you're gonna be more understanding of people and other things as well. So yeah, these are all the neutral vibrational energies. First one being courage, the next one being neutrality, the next one being willingness, the next one being acceptance, and the last one being reason. So with these neutral vibrations, it just brings you a neutral viewpoint, and it'll shifts you into a positive, more positive like mind state. So I hope you guys learned something. That's all I have for today. Oh, before I wrap things up, I'm gonna I'm just gonna break down the last one. So next, what I'm gonna cover maybe Sunday is love, joy, peace, and enlightenment. These are the highest vibrational points. These are all the creative energies and that can bring you. I mean, it dissolves negativity. So once you find these four, you're gonna cut off all the toxicity in your life once you're able to reach these conscious levels. Not all of it, because life happens, still continues. Things are gonna come, but you can limit the negativity that you bring into your life and the toxicity that you bring into your life as well. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Hope you guys learned something. Hope this was a pretty decent lecture. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. I'm out. Peace.